Welcome to Rolawn, Europe's largest producer of cultivated turf and also recognised as Britain's leading supplier of high-quality topsoil. And topsoil is the foundation of a healthy landscaping scheme. Therefore, it's important to know its composition and source. It is essential that you use a high-quality topsoil, as this will provide early establishment and development of turf, seed, trees, shrubs and plants. Rolawn topsoils are safe, fertile, certified, of a consistent high quality and tested to the British standard. You can also request an independent analysis report on the suitability of Rolawn topsoils. Rolawn Beds and Borders Topsoil is a high quality, fertile, peat-free, organic rich, light and friable topsoil that contains a controlled release fertiliser. All Rolawn's topsoils are available in convenient bulk bags. To calculate the quantity of topsoil you require, visit our website where there is a product calculator.